Hi, this is Donna James with EXP Realty, and I am out in Royse City at Woodland Creek visiting the Pacesetter model with Andrea. So I'm going to turn this around and you guys say hi to Andrea.
Hi there.
Andrea, just give us a quick little tour. And before we start, I want to tell you that one of the main reasons I wanted to come out and visit your model home is I noticed that you start below $250,000,
Yes.
and it is almost impossible to find anything in the Dallas Metroplex for under $250,000. So
Yes.
let's start telling us a little bit about that, and
Okay.
then we'll just kind of walk through and
Sure.
Take a look.
Absolutely. We've got 15 fantastic floor plans, so you have lots of options there. Our standard lot size is 60 by 120. So that's kind of unique in some of the new development areas. So our standard lot is 60 by 120, but we do go up to 75 by 120.
that's great.
So lots of options, and then we've got, you can pick your color packages, and we've got from 1,600 square feet to 3,000 square feet. So if you need a single story, a 1.5, or a 2-story, so we can take care of you.
Great. As we walk around the model home, point out some of your favorite things that makes Pacesetter stand out and above some of the rest of the builders.
Okay, kind of pan around here. We've got lots of open floor plans.
Yeah, it is great. So much light coming in here. I just love that.
One thing I love about Pacesetter is always light and bright, as many windows as they can fit in, and just give you really good use of space. So your closets, your room sizes, your family room size are always just encompassing where you're going to feel like you can have some people over and entertain. And we also have some floor plans that not only are open, but you still have a separate dining or breakfast area.
That's great.
And then we've got, this is our kitchen. This is basically our standard kitchen. But we've got, you can pick your cabinet style if you want painted or stained cabinets. We've got lots of nice features, your pull-out trash,
Oh, that's great.
and lots of island options. We love to put windows in the kitchen so you have that light and bright. And as you see, it just has a good use of space.
Yeah.
So
I noticed a lot of the people I'm working with, everybody wants a gas stove. And I noticed that you do that. Is that standard for you
that is
guys?
standard.
Awesome.
We've got wonderful standard features. And then if you wanted to upgrade to a deluxe kitchen where you'd have either a single or double oven, we would have basically a cooktop here. You would have a vented hood. And then depending on the floor plan, you could put in a single or double oven built in with a microwave.
So you're telling me that with Pacesetter, I can make some changes.
Absolutely.
Oh, that's awesome. So many builders don't let you do that kind of stuff. So that's awesome.
Right.
I do want to show this amazing pantry here. And I know we're going to walk through a little bit more of the house, but what I noticed is all of your closets are walk-in. Is that true for all of your plans or for the majority?
For the majority. So it depends
Okay.
on the plan, but mostly if they can fit a walk-in, that's what we want to have there.
Yeah,
So,
that's great. Everybody loves a walk-in closet. So a lot of great choices here. I love the light fixtures that have been chosen, the openness, and even the floors. They are so easy to clean and maintain.
yes, so as you see here in our model is the luxury vinyl plank. Inexpensive, but very durable, almost waterproof and scratch-proof. So if you've got little ones, animals, claws, that is
Right.
perfect. And we give you a design allowance as part of our incentives. So we try to incorporate all your upgrades in that design allowance.
Great. I have noticed this type of flooring in $1 million model home as well. So it's kind of nice, if you go and you dream about having that great big home, you can have a lot of those choices in a very affordable
Yes.
home in your
absolutely.
price range.
Uh-huh.
Take us and let's look at the master bedroom real quick. I know you've got people coming. And, okay.
Get into the master. This is one
Notice you've
that-
got nice windows.
They actually open in, so it's easier to clean.
Oh, that's awesome.
And then we've got this wonderful master that has 2
Wow.
master closets
Oh, and a sitting area as well.
and a sitting area. That is an option, but it just adds so much. Even
It does.
Custom look to this.
Right. So let me take a little peek over here. I'm guessing most women would say that this is the man's closet. It's nice and deep. But I also noticed going through the bathroom here that we have another closet, a his and hers closet. Oops, I don't want to be on the video. We've got the little stool area here that's private. But going into the second closet here, the big benefit is it goes right into the laundry room. So tell us a bit, maybe this needs to be the man closet.
I think maybe so.
Oops. Well, we always have to have something funny happen in the video.
And I did it again. So this is an option, but you would have a pass through. So you can actually walk through your master closet, through your utility room, and then right to the garage door. So,
I love that.
Yes,
Yeah.
It's an awesome feature and very inexpensive to add that option.
Yeah.
So that would be part of your design allowance.
Great.
So,
I don't want to take too much of your time, but let's go through the laundry and into that great media game room area.
Those are standard in our
good.
utility room.
This is a nice new feature too that I'm so glad to see the builders putting that in.
Wonderful. And then as you walk through, you do have an extra room. Even in a single story, we can provide a media room, game room.
Great.
You can add additional doors here. It can be an office or workout room. But it's just a great use of space, like I said.
That's great.
A lot of people are wanting single stories that I'm seeing. And if they can put that on the first floor, then they love it, where they can watch their kids and everything.
Yes. This is great, especially with a lot of people homeschooling now. This would be a great extra room to set that up.
Yes. Actually had a buyer building as we speak to do that. And
really?
They put the doors on, but yeah.
Well, they should have talked to me first. Anyway, I noticed that coming in the front door, it said, ask me about closing costs and those kind of things.
Yes.
So tell me a little bit about what type of things you have to offer right now.
So parts that we have going on right now is that if you go through our preferred lender, we do give you $4,000 in closing costs, and then the lender will pay the owner's title policy. We also, if you're a nurse, teacher, fireman, policeman, any of our hometown heroes, we give an extra $1,000 in closing costs.
That's great.
So that's about $7,500. So $5,000 in closing costs, and then they pay owner's title policy, which normally is around $2,500. So we love to do that, and then we give you a range in your design allowance from $10,000 to $15,000. So that will take care of your flooring and any upgraded cabinets.
Great.
And plumbing fixtures, things like that. So
awesome.
I'd love to see you here.
Well, I would love to see people here too. So they are welcome to give me a call and set up an appointment, and I'd be happy to arrange with Andrea and us come out and tour and sit down and talk about what all Pacesetter has to offer. I'm going to let you go because I know that you have lots of people to show. Weekends are your busy time, so I'm going to let you go. But thank you so much. And if we weren't in Corona and didn't have all these masks, I'd shake your hand or give you a hug or something. But
it was my pleasure, and we'll work great to help the buyer find what best suits them. But it's
great.
A great community.
Okay, well, let's at least each other. Got a little team selfie. All right, thank you so much, Andrea. All right, bye-bye.